Alexa, do you ship Starco?
I'm not sure.
She needs a minute to think. What's up, everybody? Blood Moon Bobby here. Since I found out the following product on the left was actually on sale at Target, I figured why not. I like experimenting with all kinds of technology, even products that I normally don't use. I'm kind of one of those people that likes to go to Best Buy and just not for the sake of buying things most of the time, but just for the sake of trying out the new computers, tablets, and smartphones. And I've been thinking about getting this product for a while now just to try out. And even if I don't get a whole lot of use of it, I've heard that the speaker on this is really good. So we are looking at the Amazon Echo Dot, which is the small version of Amazon's Echo, though the sound is supposed to be still pretty promising, especially compared to the second generation. And right next to that, I could have gotten Amazon's own smart plug, but actually my mom managed to find this at a Nordstrom rack. This is a Genie Gen I Spot smart Wi-Fi plug. So I figured maybe I'd plug this into maybe like a Christmas trees or a lamp and try it out. Maybe I'll get down the line an additional smart plug at some point. But really I wanted to get the Echo Dot more so just to try out Amazon Alexa and test out its music capabilities and maybe do something where I ask Alexa to call somebody. So without further ado, let's actually get into the box. Oh, you could actually just peel. Oh, it's just like an Apple product in that way. And speaking of Apple, obviously I didn't want to get the Apple HomePod. One of the nice things if you go to Google or Amazon is that they sell smart speakers for a much more affordable prices, even beyond the mini ones, because Apple only has the Apple HomePod, which I still believe is $350, whereas the Echo Dot, this one here, I actually managed to get for $30. It was on sale at Target. So here is the Echo Dot. Ooh, nice and fabric-y. You can see here it kind of looks like a giant hockey puck. I'll focus in on it a bit. As you can see here, it's got ports on this, include wireless. It has a power jack and a aux jack, so you could plug in another speaker on the top. It's got, I'm not gonna, push the buttons in case I accidentally turn it on. You've got volume controls. There's this main button. Not really sure what this one does. I'll have to go for the instructions to check them out. I'll unwrap it from the plastic. Yeah. Technically speaking, it probably won't turn on if I press the buttons in my hands because this is meant to be, plugged into a wall. This is not a portable speaker. So yeah, here's an even better look at the Echo Dot. So for me, I bought this more as like more of a budget option of getting something. I didn't really want to get the full-sized Amazon Echoes since I planned on getting just one of them, and may not sound as nice as the full-sized Amazon Echo, but for my needs, I think it's plenty enough. G Spot, if that's how you pronounce the name. Let's cut the plastic here. Actually, he didn't get this recently. This was from a while ago, and I've just been procrastinating with all kinds of videos that I needed to make. So, get out here. You get, tech support. Or I think these are the instructions. And here's the actual plug itself. Let's set that aside. The box does say, the Genie Smart Plug box does say that it works with actually multiple services. I need to download the app that goes with it, but it says that it works with Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and Microsoft Cortana, Let's see, does it come with anything else worth mentioning? Not really. By the way, the Echo Dot also comes with instruction packets and a 15-watt power adapter, if that gets into focus here. It just uses a, basic prong cable that I will focus in on here. It's kind of wrapped up, but I think you guys can see it. Yeah, you guys can see it. Yeah, it's kind of like the mini version of what you would see on something like a Windows laptop. So these are the Genie Smart Plug and the Amazon Echo Dot. So I'm not planning on doing a full-on review of the Amazon Echo Dot because from what I hear, the best way, I would say the best way to get out of the Amazon Echo Dot is to actually buy at least a second one to do stereo sound. But I kind of just wanted to try out the basics of the Echo Dot. Try out Amazon Alexa, try making calls, try to play some music off of the Amazon Echo Dot, because I may have said in the past that, why buy a smart device? I'd rather just do things on my iPhone or iPad, and there's no trouble in me having to turn on a light switch myself. The nice thing is that compared to a smartphone, obviously, even before the rise of smartphones, there were such things as really beefy speakers. Is that the speakers on the iPhone 7, even though I quite like them for an iPhone, they're still quite small. Obviously, something like the Amazon Echo Dot is going to be much beefier. And with the Genie Smart Plug, maybe I could try it out by plugging the smart plug into maybe one of my lamps or something like my Christmas tree. Yes, I still have my Christmas tree. The lights are still turned on, so maybe I could experiment with one of those products and see how it goes. But if anything, I bought the Amazon Echo Dot more so to try out how Amazon Alexa works and try to use her to control things like my music and making calls and helping out with stuff. So hopefully testing goes out well. Once again, I don't really want to do a review of this thing. Maybe I'll do something like a vlog video to tell you guys how my day goes having one of these Amazon Echo Dots, because I don't really plan on getting a second one of these. I think for me, even for music listening, just having one of these things is beneficial enough. So this has been my unboxing of the Amazon Echo Dot and the Genie Smart Plug. Hopefully I'll be able to do a vlog video checking these products out sometime soon. So until next time, this has been Blood Moon Bobby, and thank you guys for watching. Hey guys, be sure to like this Blood Moon Bobby video if you enjoyed it. Please share this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. Be sure to ring the notification bell to be notified about my latest upload. Follow me on my social media pages at Blood Moon Bobby to find out about what I'll be covering next and for more of my opinions. Thanks for watching.